Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to take you guys up the California Lighthouse. Let's go. So guys, I'm finally going to go up the lighthouse. It costs, so I don't know where it is, but it costs 5 florins. 5 florins for locals? $5 for the visitors. And he told me, how many steps is it?
117.
117. And it's about 9 stories high. Now, it's got some windows and I'm trying to look up. I'm just at the first story, so I still have a long way to go. But I wanted to tell you that I haven't been up here since I was a young little boy. I'm a big little boy. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Still already top. There seems to be no way to actually watch the infinity of it. But I want to show you the steps. They are definitely narrow. So if you are a little bit claustrophobic, this might be a thing. And here you can definitely hear the wind. So I'm just assuming here maybe I'm at the 7th floor, and I'm just gonna check out this. I can't even stick my head into it to check what's up there, but maybe there's some light at the end of the tunnel. I don't know. So through this window, you could already see quite far up. That's crazy. Yeah, and I see we are definitely getting to the last part, and the stairs getting there. It's definitely getting more and more narrow. All right. Now this is probably where you go to, for those who need to go to fix the light up there. And let me see. For those who have been following me for a while, sorry I'm moving the camera a little bit. For those who know me and have followed my channel for a bit, they know that I am so scared of heights. And anyway, there I go. Let's see if I get it again. Oh, it's super windy. Wow. It's super windy, so you're probably not really hearing me all that good. The wind almost seems like it's gonna blow you away from this thing, but it's all with wires, so it's very safe actually. But you do get that feeling of being blown away. By the way, for those who may have seen it in the past, there was a tower, like an antenna tower, close to the lighthouse. It's not down. I'm not sure why, if they're gonna replace it or if it's not gonna be there anymore. I don't know what's the deal with that. Oh, I should put up here like, let's go with Hokkaido. So this is the road leading up to it. That's the road heading to, say, Alto Vista. This is obviously the golf course of Tierra del Sol. Hopefully this audio is good. That is the sand dunes. If you come here with horses, that's where the horses will be. But oh my goodness, this is like hurricane wind. The other day I was, let's see, I did a walk from more or less over there, and I walked till this beach here. So that's the one of the walks that I did. In case you are looking for it, I'll probably try to put it, the link up here in the description or something. And the entrance, or where the cars are parked. Now on this side, it's a whole lot less windy because the wind is coming from, usually in Aruba the wind comes from the northeast, but this is, I mean, even having flown the drone here quite a few times, and you can see the perspective from the drone, I think that's the reason why you do these things and you come anyway, because it's totally different when it's in person. I can show you the videos, I can show you everything about Aruba, but it's different to be here, feel the wind, look at the bright colors of the beach, and just the perspective of everything. I mean, I've been meaning to come up here without a real reason to say this is going to be like a really exciting vlog or anything, but, and I didn't think I would spend a whole lot of time up here, but I think it's pretty cool. Oh, even birds go lower than we are. This is awesome. This is an awesome view. This is a truly awesome view. Wow. I won't have drone shots of myself, and I'm not flying my drone today. It's very, very windy, but I will put some drone shots, some previous drone shots for you guys. For those who haven't seen it from a drone perspective, I have quite a few, but today I'm not flying it, definitely not. So, who said getting down is any easier? It's probably harder to get down and to go up, actually. So you do have these ropes that you can hang on to. So I switched the camera hand and holding on to these now, getting down. By the way, I do believe that this is caused by the nearby ocean. It's got so much salt in the air that it rusts everything in this part of the island, or in this region, in this part of the island. And yeah, so the maintenance here is extremely difficult. It's not something that they can do it all that easily. By the way, there's sometimes you can come here at night. I haven't been here, obviously, as I told you, but I may come here at night, maybe not to film, but at least to just get the experience up there. And so they do have lights. I'm gonna have a Raspao, a banana Raspao. You can see the prices here, but they also have soft serve ice cream. Sí. Secret ingredient. Yes. Honey, what's that? Thank you. Bye-bye. So I'm gonna have to sit out here and eat it, because this is really going to melt very quickly. It is so good, but it's melting so quickly. So this is shaved ice with banana syrup and with what we call leche condensed. Over here we call it raspao. Super good. So I am going to finish this one here at the Arashi beach and continue our drive in a bit. So with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. It was a little bit different, a little bit shorter, maybe what you are accustomed from my videos lately. But I do want to start making a little bit shorter videos. I know I get into the history, I get into the details, and I like doing that. But for editing, it takes a long time, and I've been falling behind schedule many times. So yeah, I hope you like it. I give you an idea of what the lighthouse is, and also a very typical drive where you stop at the Arashi beach to get some sweets, in this case a raspao, a shaved ice,
and you could have gone for just the regular soft serve ice cream. That's a good one too. But anyway, nothing further to add to this one. Hope you have subscribed in the meantime if you haven't already done so, and remember to like, share this video, and see you next week, guys. Bye bye.